we'll guide you through how to configure Netlify redirects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Netlify dashboard and navigate to the site where you want to set up redirects. Click on Site Settings located in the sidebar on the left. Scroll down and click on Redirects under the Site Configuration section. Here, you'll see an option to add redirects. Click Edit next to the Redirect Rules section. In the editor that appears, you need to define your redirect rules. A common format is to type the source URL, followed by the target URL, and then the status code. For example, if you want to redirect from old page to new page with a status code of 301 for a permanent redirect, you would type old page new page 301. Remember, the source path should start with a slash and should not include your domain. Once you've written your rules, save the changes. Netlify automatically processes these rules and applies them to your site. It's important to test your redirects to ensure they're working as expected. You can do this by typing the old URL in your browser and checking if it redirects correctly to the new URL. If it doesn't work, double-check your syntax and try again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.